After school or work, we often have things to do. Let's learn how to talk about a common task in English, doing homework.
Hello, everyone. I am Leo.
Welcome to White Eagle. I am very happy to see you today. Today is a new day. It is a good day to learn. Every single day, we have a chance to learn something new. Today, our lesson is about daily tasks. We learn a very important phrase, homework. Many people, especially students, have homework. But you know, even adults have tasks that feel like homework. They are our daily responsibilities. So, this word is useful for everyone. The phrase we learned today is do your homework. This phrase means you need to complete schoolwork. It means you must finish specific tasks for your class. It is a very, very common instruction. Teachers say it. Parents say it. Do your homework. It is a clear message. Do is the action word, the verb. Your shows that the homework belongs to you. Homework is the special task itself. So, do your homework. Can you say it with me? Please repeat after me. Do your homework. Good. One more time, strong and clear. Do your homework. Very good. This phrase is important for students. It is also a good phrase to understand daily tasks in life. It is about responsibility. It is about growth. Now, let's talk about who does the homework. We use different words for different people. Please listen carefully and watch. When I talk about myself, I say, I do my homework. When I talk to you, I say, you do your homework. When I talk about a man, a boy, a male person, I say, he does his homework. And when I talk about a woman, a girl, a female person, I say, she does her homework. Did you notice the small change? It is very important. For I and you, we use do. But for he and she, we use does, not do. This is a key rule in English. Let me repeat for clear understanding. I do my homework. You do your homework. He does his homework. She does her homework. This practice is vital. It helps you speak correctly. It helps you think clearly in English. When you learn these small rules, you build a strong foundation. Every small step is a big success. You are making progress. You are getting better. Keep practicing. Say these sentences loud. You can master this. So, when do people do their homework? This is also important. We talk about time. I do my homework in the evening. This is a very common time for many students. School finishes. They go home. Maybe they have dinner. After dinner, many students start their homework. So, I do my homework in the evening. This is a good time for quiet study. Sometimes students do their homework in the afternoon, maybe right after school. They want to finish early. This is also a good plan. For me, today, I have my own homework. My homework is to read a new book for my next lesson. It is important for White Eagle Channel. Right now, it is 9 a.m. So, I do my homework in the morning. I like to finish my tasks early. Maybe you do your homework at night, very late. Maybe you do your homework on the weekend when you have more time. The most important thing is to say when you do it. Remember these phrases. I do my homework in the morning. I do my homework in the afternoon. I do my homework in the evening. I do my homework at night. I do my homework on the weekend. It is about organizing your day. It is about making a plan. When you plan, you feel calmer. You feel more powerful. You control your learning journey. This planning is a secret to success. Now, how do we ask someone about their homework? We want to know if they have done it or if they will do it. We ask a question. Do you do your homework? This is a very simple and direct question. Do starts the question. You is the person we are asking. Do your homework is the task. Do you do your homework? You can ask your friends. You can ask a classmate. You can ask any student. Hello. How are you? Friend, I am good, thank you. Do you do your homework today? Friend, yes, I do my homework. I finish it. Or, no, I do not do my homework today. I do it tomorrow. Asking questions is super important for learning English. It helps you start conversations. It helps you get information. Do not be shy. Do not be afraid to ask. Every question you ask is a step forward. Every word you speak helps you grow. So please, try to say this question. Do you do your homework? Wonderful. You are doing great. And finally, when someone finishes their homework, when someone finishes any task, what do we say? We say something positive. We give encouragement. We say, good job, good job. This phrase means you did well. It means you completed the task. It means I am proud of your effort. It is a warm, supportive phrase. When a student shows you their completed homework, you can say, Good job. When your friend helps you, you can say, Good job, my friend. When you finish your own task, even a small one, you can say to yourself, Good job, Leo. It feels so good to hear good job. It makes us feel recognized. It makes us feel strong. It makes us want to do more. Every single task you complete, no matter how tiny, is a victory. It is a step closer to your big goals. You are learning English, and this is a big, wonderful task. Every day you watch these videos, you are doing your homework. And I want to tell you this now. Good job! You are doing an amazing job. So, let's quickly review our important phrases from today. We learned the instruction. Do your homework. We learned about who does the homework. I do. You do. He, she does. We learned about the time. I do my homework in the evening. We learned how to ask a question. Do you do your homework? And we learned how to give encouragement. Good job. These simple phrases are powerful. They help you talk about daily life. They help you connect with others. They help you continue your amazing journey of learning English. Learning a new language like English can sometimes feel like a very big challenge. It can feel like climbing a tall mountain. But remember this, you climb a mountain one step at a time. Each new word you learn is a step up. Each new phrase you master is another step. Your dedication, your consistent effort, your brave heart in learning, it truly is inspiring. Please never give up. Keep moving forward, one lesson at a time. You are doing something truly wonderful. Every day is a new chance to grow. Every moment is a chance to learn and become stronger. I am so proud of you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Do you have homework or a task today? Tell me one thing you need to do. Please share in the comments. Subscribe to White Eagle for more simple English for daily life.